Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1109 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm so excited to try out my first ever Pat McGrath product. So I have from Pat McGrath Labs the Fetish Eyes Mascara. And I just got this in my Ipsy Glam Bag X box and I'm so excited about that and all of the products that I've tried so far. So if you haven't seen that unboxing, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But this comes in cool packaging. So let's see what the actual mascara looks like. Oh, it's actually pretty simple packaging here. And it's a very average size, but I wouldn't say it's quite average price point. Retails for $30, which to me is very expensive for a mascara, especially when I feel like the drugstore makes such amazing mascaras. But I love trying out mascaras and I'm very picky, but this is supposed to be amazing. It's a cult favorite mascara and it just has such high ratings, which always makes me even more excited to try out a product. It's supposed to be flexible, buildable, no clumps, no flakes. So let's see what the applicator looks like. You know, it looks like a very classic applicator as well. I think it's a brush applicator and it's like an average size. All right, now let's see what it does for my lashes. What I like is that right away, just one swipe does really darken the lashes. The wand seems to be doing a good job of brushing through every lash. It's not really getting any mascara on my eyelid. And it is seeming to be buildable. And no clumping. Lashes are staying separated, which is good. So yeah. I mean, that makes an impact right away. I'm going to go ahead and try it on my lower lashes and then I'll try layering it up even more. Ooh, I do like this on the lower lashes. I like that since it gives a dark color with one swipe, I don't have to apply too much to my lower lashes for it to make them actually show up. And it's not messy in getting any mascara on my under eye, so it's hard for me to find a good lower lash mascara, but this is definitely one that I would reach for. And you gotta love when a mascara is good for both of the top and the lower lashes. So now let's see if I can build it up like it claims. Oh yeah, it is definitely buildable. And it really is so dark. It does such a great job of emphasizing the lashes. And this is what I love in mascara. It's not making the lashes clump together. So it's making the lashes look so full and fluttery. This is very volumizing. And it seems to be also pretty lifting, curling, and lengthening. I'm looking at it really up close in my mirror and it kind of looks like a fiber mascara where you can just kind of see almost like a little bit of like fuzziness to the lashes, if you know what I mean, when you really layer it up. It's so pretty and so volumizing. Wow, I am very impressed. That is beautiful. I love the effect that that has on my lashes. Like, look at that difference. I'll do a zoomed in view so that you can really see the difference. But that is exactly what I look for in a mascara. Let's go ahead and apply it to the other eye. I'm very amazed that I have no mascara on my eyelid. Right as I say that, I get mascara on my face because I touched the wand there. But it's a very easy wand to work with. And it really is a perfect top and bottom lash mascara. Exactly what I'm looking for. I love that it doesn't take too long to build up extreme volume. It really is just like 2 kind of heavy coats and you've got all the volume you could want. I got a little bit messy on this eye, but overall, I love how my lashes are looking. And I totally get the hype with this mascara. I have no complaints about it. It is everything. Like, it adds such great dark black color to the lashes, which just really emphasizes the eyes. Like, all you really need to do is throw on this mascara and you've got a complete eye makeup look. It gives so much volume, separation. My lashes look so full, which is what I'm looking for in a mascara. So I'm very picky with my mascaras, but this is seriously a perfect mascara. It's expensive, and I will say I have had other mascaras that give pretty much the same effect that are not $30, but at least if you are spending $30 on a mascara, it's, in my opinion, the perfect mascara. So I really want to know what you think of the Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara. Do you think it's worth the hype? It seems like most people do. I kind of think it's worth the hype, I have to admit, but I definitely want to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.